Good evening, everyone. Today is my day 8 of my Leetcode journey. Today I am taking problem number 28, which is find the index of first occurrence in a string. Means we have to find the index number of string in given string in first occurrence. Means we have to given a string like sad but sad, and we have to find its needle string like sad occurrence on this word. Means if we check that sad here and second sad here, so we have to find first occurrence. Means this occurrence are indexed as our output. Here given input are these and our output is 0. Because of when we will run this code, so we will treat this needle as whole index. Means this will count as a one word. So I will initialize it 0, or we can say that these three characters are from now this one character. So we will check it as three groups, because it is three group. So we will check in three group. So this will become our 0 index. This again 3 will become our first index, and again 3 index will become our second index. So in our stack there are total 3 indexes, and we have to find sad. So if we will check it on, so it will found at simply at 0 index. We not move to further for first and second, because we know that there are also second index occurrence of sad. So we have to just find 0 1. So we will explain the code how can it be find. So here here wait a minute. Yeah, look like this one. Yes, you can see my screen. Here you can see I have created a class which name is solution, which is public because we have to access its elements outside from the class. So we are making our class public. Here we are making a method which is str string of string. Wait, if you are not look at, yeah, means our method returning output as an integer value, and it's containing input in two forms. First one is string hashtag, which is this one, like this one, and second which we have to find needle, string needle. So it is consuming two input, both are string. First is hashtag and second is needle. So here we are first counting both strings length. So we are making two variable, which is n and m, because length will be always integer. So here we are initializing with int variable. So int and int m, n is counting our given string length and m is counting our found string length, means needle length. Now if we run for this even, wait, yeah, if we n and m, n is our hashtag length. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here it is 9 and this one is 3. Now this part has been completed. Now we are moving again. Check if n is less than m, return -1. We are checking that our founding string is higher than given in string. Means if we have to find sad from given string add. So we can't found it because our given string is smaller than our founding string, so we can't move further. So here we have checked that n is less than m. N is less than m. No, this condition is not true, so we will not go inside and will be again this. So here slide the window across the history. Here we are using sliding window approach, which are basic computer network approach or algorithm. Here we are using a greedy method to find this solution. So here we are using slide the window across the hairstick. So here we are initializing, we are creating a loop, for loop, which runs from int I 0, means we are creating a index I which is initialized with 0, goes to I is equal to n minus m, means it will go to n minus m. Wait a minute, page is here, n minus m, sorry, n minus n is 9 3 because 6. means it means we are starting from 0 and we will go to the only sixth index. We will go only for the sixth index from this case also only. So and we will increase our index one by one, means our iterated value one by one. Here with a cursor, yeah. Check if the substring starting at index 1 matches the needle. Here we are using a inbuilt function of CPP. It this function it returns our it function cuts the string into substrings. Means this function is used for the cutting string a long string into substring from given index. So here we are using if haystack, means our this one sad but sad dot substring using method I comma m. So here for starting I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 0 substring 0 comma m is equal to 6, m is equal to 6 no 3 m is equal to 3, 0 to 3 index is equal to index. So we will check in this sad but sad. So from indexing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are indexing it from 0 to 8, which is 9 character. So from 0 to 9 we have to cut the substring. So we will cut 0 to 3. Sorry, 0 to 9. 0 to 3. Yeah. Because we always give the input index of one more index from last, because in this inbuilt function this only this only collect only given last index first, means it only considers the parameters or index from given last to its just first, means it's just before of the last. So on 3, so it will collect only 2 only, this one these 3. So it will cut this string from this whole string sad. So this function will collect it sad and it will check by needle. If we check sad is equal to needle is sad and this one sad, yeah, this condition is satisfied. So we will return I. So I is 0, so we will return our i's as output. So it will be returned. Found the first occurrence, means here our first occurrence has found. And lastly the code has been ended. Yeah. If we finish the loop without finding, if the case is different and we don't find our string substring from the whole string, so lastly we will return our -1, because here given that if found then return 0 or not found, so we will return -1. So here for this case I have found the string index 0, so we will not go to this and our code has been fully completed. So you can see in my Leetcode that it is accepting our test cases and it is also accepted by the Leetcode. Yeah, you can see, yeah, here it is accepted. So this was our greedy approach of sliding window for the finding substring from the given strings. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.